Yo, hear this. I literally just started recording the video. And यहाँ पे actually बहुत ज़्यादा जोर की बारिश होने लगी है. But anyways guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's another day, it's another vlog. आज actually Sunday and हमारा friends का सुबह से plan बन रहा था कि कहाँ पे तो भी जाते हैं like to chill. But then if you guys can see this right now, it is raining heavy as hell और पिछले 2 घंटे से non-stop बारिश हो रही है and अब भी वो बारिश थोड़ी बहुत रुकी है. And also if you guys can hear like पीछे कुछ आरती का sound पता नहीं कोई तो भी कुछ play कर रहा है. That always happens to me, right? Like whenever I start vlogging, कुछ ना कुछ तो होना ही है, of course. Yeah, man. How are y'all? First of all, how are y'all? Just comment below. How's everyone doing? बहुत दिनों से casual vlogs डाले नहीं थे, so मैंने सोचा कि आज थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं. Interaction 1-to-1, right? So yeah, I'm all like dressed up. I mean, not dressed up, but just casually dressed up. I'm gonna go pick everyone up. I suck at driving. I mean, मुझे driving नहीं पसंद है, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna take one for the team today. Wow, hear that. मैं पिछले 10 मिनट से रुका था for this to happen. Like I just wanted to record this. मेरा फोन का कैमरा खोल के बैठा था just so that I could record this. Like Hey guys, what's up? So we've reached a beautiful location and look at the background here. I mean, this is Nasik for you, man. Like this is so beautiful. But the only thing is, हम यहाँ पे आते से ही so it was raining the whole time. पूरा I think आज 2-3 घंटा बारिश हो ही रही थी. तो as soon as we came here, आते वक्त हमको कुछ बारिश नहीं लगी थी. But then it's like raining and my whole like equipment is like wet right now. My camera is wet, my iPhone's wet. And the worst thing is मेरा iPhone का screen टूट गया है. So if the water penetrates inside the screen, it's gonna fuck up the screen. So I can't afford to risk anything right now. But yeah man, बहुत दिनों के बाद बाहर आए थोड़ा घूमने. हम लास्ट 2-3 वीक से इतना बाहर नहीं गए थे because of the work that my friends do. So they only get like the weekends off and they really want to spend it with their families. So Isha, case without cap चांगला दिसतात का with cap? Hair is bad.
वीकेंडच होता एक आणि मी त्यात पण टाइमपासच केला
ऐक ना आज एवढी एनर्जी लो काय सगळ्यांची. लुक एट हर, लुक एट हिम, लुक एट हिम. एक्चुअली दे ऑल आर. हमको बर्गर्स खाने का मन था. हम पहले दूसरी जगह जाने वाले थे बट दे हियर नाउ. एनर्जी इज वेरी लो. एवरीवन इज लाइक. मैंने ऑर्डर किया है थाम रेटी यार. I've ordered mutton crispy burger. You have ordered what?
मी
Aloo tikki burger. You ordered. I did show some enthusiasm for my vlogs. Chicken cheeseburger and Meer and Meer has ordered the same. So Aikna, these look so cute. Chicken aloo. मेरा छोड़ के सबका आया. So I'm gonna wait and
good episode असता ना.
हाँ I know right.
Robin's comes last.
Robin से food heavy last में. Look at this. Yum.
It's Christmas in my mouth.
Is it? Can I have yours?
No.
Please, one bite.
Dude, खूप भारी.
It's aloo and it's so good.
Aloo was just like McDonald's only, same aloo tikki.
No.
Guys, that's my burger. Mutton. Nachos is a no-no. Nachos never goes into burgers. No, you can't have it. That's mine. But overall, it's a good burger. I like it. Yeah, bro. Look at the cut, baby. Look at the cut.
Can you not zoom my face, please, Yara?
What the fuck?
तू असं उभा ठेव ना इथे. I don't like my clothes.
What's up? तो थोड़ी तो हाथ काटूंगी. Guys, it's Isha's birthday today. What date is it? 12th of October. And she's turned old already. How old are you now? 20. Calm the way!
Oh my god, stop screaming.
I'm actually not old. I'm 23, 24 only. I'm 23. She's 27 already. Can you guys imagine?
27.
और हम सेम स्कूल में थे. Like we were in the same batch. And I'm 23 and she's fucking 20.
I'm not 27.
But yeah. Oh fuck. Though it's a 2-day vlog. हम परसों भी मिले थे, आज भी मिल रहे हैं. It's like 8 o'clock at night. And सब job करके we came to meet Isha. Guys, I'm actually at a store. We're shopping for our Goa trip. So I do not have floral clothes for the Goa trip. So we're basically just shopping for Goa. Because बाकी है, like I have jackets and like other t-shirts and stuff. But I don't have like floral clothes. So I'm going to try a few and let's see if they look good. मुझे actually लेने थे flip-flops Goa के लिए. मुझे लेने थे floral tops, caps, glares, sunglasses and a lot of things. So और मिहिर को भी पता नहीं randomly jeans और कुछ क्या क्या लेना था. We were like rapid shopping here today. मुझे वो एक green color का top अच्छा लगा है. So I might buy it, but I'm not sure. इतना अभी कुछ खास नहीं है. If I find something better online, H&M. But let's see what Mihir is doing. Right? Guys, I found these khaki shorts. मुझे पता नहीं था इसको khaki shorts बोलते हैं, but yeah, I might grab one of these. There's like 2 colors in it. Actually, multiple colors. There's blue, there's khaki, there's all these colors. But I think I like this one. Guys, this is Mir. ऐक ना, खूप भारी दिसतोय. Yeah? नाही, कुठे मोठा आहे? This is not. Do it. Release it पूर्ण. सोड आता. Like just carry it. I think this is okay, bro. It's not that long.
स्मॉल बघ थोडासा नाही बस
मग small.
मोठा वाटतं
बघू एक हा इथून पण.
इथे पण
Yeah. I think you need one size small.
बघ ना please.
Mir is looking like a West Side model, dude. Look at this. Look at his ass. Guys, this is another one that I'm trying on. ये अंदर actually white shirt थोड़ा गंदा दिख रहा है, तो ये नहीं आने वाला है. But without the white shirt, I mean, this is a fucking bang on t-shirt, I feel. Look at this. This looks fucking dope. I kind of like this, but it's not going with the whole Goa mood, I feel. Like, also my hair are looking like very, I don't know, not. I mean, I could carry it, of course. I can carry anything, but still, I feel this is a little bit gaudy for me. Look at this. This is how I look in the red tee. We'll actually ask Atty. ये कैसा दिख रहा है. और उसने हाँ बोला तो भी नहीं लूंगा, बट पूछ लेते हैं इसको एक बार कैसे लग रहा है. न्यूजीलैंड में मेरा ऐसा होता था. Of course, I had a job. I was rich. I used to like grab whatever I want because I was like rich, which I'm not anymore. It's good for Goa. Not really.
तो आधीचा बेटर
तो घेतोच का मी. That one is fine. Also, guys, my dad bought like a digital frame from somewhere. So it basically lights up. Look at this. Okay, ready? Ta-da! Oh, it's actually looking really bad in the camera, but this is how it looks in real. Isn't this like super cool? What's up? Guys, it's actually the next day. बहुत दिनों के बाद मैंने traditional कपड़े पहने. This is actually the kurta that the Heartfulness people gave us. Hyderabad में जो हम trip में गए थे. So this is actually the same kurta. They actually gifted us like books. वहाँ पे कुर्ता दिया था, एक बैग दी थी, बॉटल एंड लाइक वी गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ गिफ्ट्स. सो इफ यू गाइस आर वंडरिंग मैंने कुर्ता क्यों पहना है, एक्चुअली आज हमारे मंदिर में एक नवरात्रि की पूजा है. सो एवरी ईयर हमारी आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली नो द डिटेल्स, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक शिट, बट एक पूजा होती है हमारी देवी की मंदिर में, एंड एवरी ईयर वी हैव टू गो देयर. बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू डू द पूजा आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग. बिफोर दैट एक्चुअली 2-3 दिन में बहुत सारी चीजें हुई है. माय डैड एक्चुअली गॉट इनटू एन एक्सीडेंट 2 days ago. मेरी मॉम और डैड दे वर गोइंग ऑन अ बाइक, पता नहीं कुछ काम करने जा रहे थे. पीछे से a car dashed them. It was nothing serious fortunately, but dad got like a hairline crack in his leg. It's actually fracture नहीं है luckily. So we are like relieved. रात को हम परसों गए थे डॉक्टर के पास एक्सरे निकालने because his leg was like swollen पूरा और it was hurting like really bad. I was like really tensed कि fracture है कि नहीं, but fracture नहीं था. Also me and my friends were discussing कि गोवा के लिए बस 10 दिन रह गए and we are quite excited, man. I mean, the vlogs are going to be fun. First of all, more than the vlogs, I'm really excited for my friends bachelors. So Anish, मेरा friend है, right? So 2 of my good friends are getting married. उनके bachelors के लिए हम जा रहे हैं गोवा. So this is just a reminder for you all that 22nd of October we are going Goa. Also today's lucky Instagram follower is Rohan. So Rohan, thank you so much for following me on Instagram. मैं ये shout out every video के end में देता हूँ. So अगर आपको भी shout out चाहिए तो जाके मुझे Instagram पे follow करो. That's my Instagram ID. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. This is the end of the video. You guys know everything else. You guys know the grind. You guys know the drill. Wait for the next video. And as I always say, take care and peace out.